When it comes to improving your home's appearance, few upgrades offer as much impact as replacing or upgrading your windows. For homeowners in Slidell, double-hung windows are a popular choice that combines timeless design with functionality. Beyond their practical benefits, these windows play a significant role in enhancing curb appeal, creating a more inviting and visually appealing exterior. Double-hung windows are characterized by two vertically sliding sashes that allow for easy ventilation. Their classic design has been a staple in residential architecture for decades, making them suitable for a wide range of home styles, from traditional to modern. This versatility allows homeowners in Slidell to select a style that complements their home's overall aesthetic, immediately improving its exterior appearance. One of the most obvious ways double-hung windows enhance curb appeal is through their balanced, symmetrical look. The uniform appearance of the upper and lower sashes creates clean lines that are visually pleasing. When multiple windows are installed across the front of a home, this symmetry gives the exterior a polished and harmonious appearance. This is especially beneficial in Slidell, where homes with classic and coastal architecture are common, as double-hung windows naturally complement these designs. The wide range of design options available with double-hung windows allows homeowners to further enhance curb appeal. From different frame colors and finishes to decorative grills and hardware, you can customize the windows to match your home's style and personality. Choosing a frame color that contrasts with the siding or complements other exterior features, such as shutters or doors, can create visual interest and make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Another way double-hung windows improve curb appeal is by enhancing natural light and visibility. Large glass panes allow sunlight to brighten interior spaces, which can also be seen from the outside. Well-lit rooms give your home a welcoming appearance and make it feel more inviting to visitors or potential buyers. In addition, windows with clear views allow passers-by to appreciate the interior landscaping or decor, adding to the overall charm of your property. Functionality is another feature that contributes to aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows are easy to open and clean, meaning they are more likely to be kept looking their best. Properly maintained windows, free of dirt, streaks, and condensation, improve the exterior appearance and give your home a well-cared-for look. In Slidell's humid climate, this is particularly important, as moisture and weather can affect exterior finishes over time. High-quality, properly sealed windows ensure that your home retains its beauty year-round. Energy efficiency is another factor that indirectly enhances curb appeal. Modern double-hung windows often feature insulated glass, low-E coatings, and tight seals that reduce heat transfer. By maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures and preventing drafts, these windows help protect interior finishes and prevent sun damage. A home that looks well-maintained on the outside often reflects careful care inside, creating a more appealing overall impression. Double-hung windows also pair well with additional exterior elements, such as shutters, flower boxes, or trim. Their rectangular shape and clean lines make it easy to integrate decorative features that further enhance visual appeal. Thoughtful placement and styling of these elements can create a cohesive and eye-catching exterior that adds personality without overwhelming the home's design. Finally, upgrading to modern double-hung windows can increase property value while boosting curb appeal. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with attractive, energy-efficient windows because they combine aesthetics with practicality. Installing new windows signals to buyers that the home has been well cared for and updated, making it more desirable in the market. In conclusion, double-hung windows are a powerful tool for enhancing curb appeal in Slidell homes. Their classic design, versatility, and customizable features allow homeowners to create a polished and welcoming exterior. By improving symmetry, increasing natural light, and offering long-lasting durability, these windows elevate the overall look of your home while providing practical benefits. For those looking to boost their property's visual charm and market value, investing in double-hung windows is a smart, stylish choice.